A legal dispute about the workplace at Ontario's police watchdog is airing allegations of harassment, as well as controversial comments about a police shooting death alleged to have been made by someone who's now a top employee at the SIU.
As CTV's John Woodward reports, the comments have prompted the dead man's family to speak out, demanding action.
These videos obtained by CTV News show the last moments of Moses Irhirhi's life and are hard to watch for his family.
It was an extreme shock.
The 35-year-old was stopped in this Markham parking lot in 2022, apparently while peeing in a snowbank. The engine of his white Hyundai is still running. After a short conversation, the officer grabs him. He breaks away and then jumps in the Hyundai, the officer still holding on. The car reverses up the snowbank. The officer steps back and fires 3 shots, killing Irhirhi. Officers found a gun in a satchel on Irhirhi's chest. An SIU report cleared the officer, saying the shooting was justified because he felt his life was in danger from the car. A Newmarket court upheld the decision, but his family still insists none of it makes sense.
You don't just shoot a person for urinating in a snowbank. That's just not right.
Multiple sources say the investigative team actually did push to charge the officer, and they tell CTV News that comments about Irhirhi are included in a workplace harassment dispute now at the Ontario Labour Relations Tribunal. In an application, one investigative manager accuses another of saying a victim was a black drug dealer who had it coming, and officers can't be responsible for a guy who was a known criminal. It wasn't the only remark about black people alleged to have been said by a former GTA police inspector. In the documents, he's alleged to have described a black female investigator as having tattoos and long nails and big breasts when he stated, "This isn't the streets of the Bronx, it's the SIU. Her tattoos show her as gang affiliated," and said of an Indigenous colleague, "Monkey knows better." The SIU said in a statement that HR matters are private and confidential, but we take any allegation of racism or discrimination very seriously. It said the investigator did not make the statements as alleged. He had no involvement in the case at any point. Any suggestion otherwise is simply inaccurate. And said a decision not to charge goes through a multi-step review that's bigger than one person.
I think there's strong indications of anti-black racism in this particular case.
Lawyer Paul Slansky represents the Irhirhi family. He's challenging the SIU's decision not to charge to Ontario's Court of Appeal. He says the alleged comments could also impact future cases.
It just shows that if you're a certain race, you're not going to get full justice as somebody else's race.
The SIU should reopen the case and charge the subject officer.
The allegations will be explored at a Labour Board hearing on Thursday. The family of Moses Irhirhi plans to be in attendance. John Woodward, CTV News.